Hey, come on. Want to do some sniffing? Good girl, let's go. Raven, up the hill. Come on. This way. Come on. Not I. Come on. You sniffing? Good girl, Raven. Let's go. Up the hill. We're going up the big hill. Come on, Raven. This way. Good girl. You're going up that big hill. Let's go, let's go. No, not that way. Come on. I'll get you situated. Let's turn around. Come on, up the hill. Up the hill. You sniffing? No. That's the wrong way. Raven, this way. Ooh, she's strong. Come on. Getting all tangled. Let's go up the hill. Good girl. Here we go. Pull. We're climbing. What do you smell? All right, Raven, let's go. Good girl. Come on. Let's go. Oh, you're giving me a workout today. All right, we're at the top of our loop. We're gonna end up way down there. Let's see how fast we can do this. Let's go! Good girl, pull. Here's the fast part. Let's go. Come on, Raven. Good girl. Woo! What do you think?